blue gauge show this reading. Car is cold, not running. And the red is down there. I would say, what's that, 25, less 25, so 10. That's on high pressure side, but the engine is not running. So this is my baseline before I take the AC compressor out, evacuate the system, and change the compressor. Remove the air cleaner simply by removing the hose. There's two screws here, one on this side, one on that side, and disconnect the flexible tube and disconnect the air duct here that going down to the turbo, and there's the grommet that's sitting on these posts, one there and one in the back there and one in the back. There's a total of 4. Slowly lift it up and get the air cleaner out. Here's the air cleaner box. There's a grommet there, and there's one down here and one down there. Volkswagen EOS AC compressor. I have a hard time getting the upper hose off. One of the kingpin on a small hole stuck with the hose, so it wouldn't come out. A lot of wiggling, W40, and managed to get it out. This one I had the puller, the hot puller. I was able to slide hammer. I was to knock it off, but this one there's no way I can grab them. There's no grip anywhere. This gauge supposed to be down 30. I can't get it up there. This little pump won't do it. I'm gonna keep pumping until I get it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get there. Better than nothing though. So for more than 30 minutes, this thing doesn't draw. The hose still connect to the car. Car's not running. And the valve open. So I'm gonna shut it off and disconnect. I'm gonna charge the system now. Oh yes, it is cooling. Not too cold yet, but it's still charging. Fan is running. What you see here is the fan assembly for Volkswagen, either Tiguan, Jetta, or Volkswagen EOS. What I have here on the table is a Volkswagen EOS. For this video, I'm going to show you what to check for resistance value for the large fan, this one, which is this one here, and the small fan, what you expect the resistance value for a good motor. So let's get started. And the resistance value across the two terminals is open. Okay, open. Spin it. Nothing happened. Spin it. Oh, you see something there? Certain spot you can actually get some reading, but this is defective. It's in mega ohm. So you see like 4 megaohm. That is the defective fan. To install the fan back into the car, it's gonna be slide under the car, and it's gonna go in between the radiator and here. I removed the turbocharged pipe to give a little bit of wiggle room to get the fan slide up, and we're gonna mount it from the bottom. AC system is off. It's still very hot outside, and the pressure gauge, my pressure gauge going down to 150, and this low pressure side 56 psi. Temperature outside 30 degrees C. Low fan.